Hi everyone and welcome back to Lauren Loves. Today I have the April Papergang box for you and there is no tube in sight. So here we are, we're pretty colourful, we're pretty bright and I'm pretty already in love with the box. I absolutely love this pattern on here. And let's not forget it is in collaboration with ARTHOUSE as well this month. So I'm hoping this will be a good one. Just to let you know as well that £1 per box sold goes towards supporting the artists of ARTHOUSE, which I think is a well-worthy cause. So yeah, let's get into it because I'm too excited as usual. We've got our colourful box and on the back already I can see that we have we're back to our origami cutouts again and we've got a turtle. So that's pretty cool. Absolutely love the little cutouts. So let's try and get into the box because as usual I can never get into them. I've got no idea what is in this month's box either because I haven't looked at any hints or been on the Papergang Instagram because I try and avoid it. So there we go, success. Okay, here we go. So obviously last month we had the tube and it was very different. So I'm actually really glad we're back to our normal boxes and yeah, it's looking like it's going to be a good one. So here we are as usual. So let's open it up. Amazing. So we have some gorgeous yellow tissue paper this month. Again, you've got a little bit about how Papergang works on every box, so let's get into it. It's so bright, it really is beautiful, and it feels like, I think we've got a book, a notepad in here. It's all falling out. Wow, this is amazing. It's absolutely beautiful already. So, the first thing we have in our box this month are these orange post-it notes. And they have little illustrations of dogs on them from what I can see, and they seem to be on every post-it note there, so they're pretty cool. Good old washi tape, we know how much I love the washi tape, and again this has illustrations of dogs on as well. I'll put a closer image of this up for you so you can see that. Again, our brochure, which we get in every box, and again I'm not going to look at the breakdown because we're going to do that at the end, but this just gives you a little bit of background about ARTHOUSE and everything that goes on behind the scenes there. It's a well-worthy cause. It helps from what it's people who have disabilities but are able to express themselves through art, which I just think is brilliant, and it just gives people a place of belonging to go to and create and have fun and be with people really. So we'll give that a read in a bit and we'll do the breakdown, but I think that's going to be a good read. Anyway, so we are on to the next thing. We've got our bullet journal calendar card. Nice one for June there. Neon pink, a little bit like what we had a couple of boxes ago. But we've got, again, some of the illustrations on there. Really cute. Next thing we have, I just love it because I've not actually seen what's in. I've not looked at any hints, so for me this is brilliant. It's just a total surprise. We have got a card, greetings card, and it says happy days on it. And on the front we have the same pattern and same sort of I want to say it's kind of like paint splats and things like that, and brush strokes put together, but it's really cool. Same pattern for that. Oh, I've got another card. We've got two greetings cards, so that's pretty cool. And this is thank you, you shouldn't have, but I'm glad you did. So that's really cool. I've got some really lovely greeting cards now to send out to people, but I love those. And I think, oh, Nearly. Very nearly. I'm doing a bit of a balancing act here. I'm going to have to put on the floor. This is just beautiful. In fact, I'm going to get this out now. But this looks like a notepad. It's hard-backed. And it's just beautiful. It's such lovely quality. I feel like Papergang is back to its usual self this month, and we have got quite a lot of items in this month's box. So I really feel like since the tube they've kind of upped their game, which has really made me happy. Don't get me wrong, last month was good. I think, let's not dwell on it, but Peskimo, amazing illustrations. I just think, yeah, there wasn't that many items in last month's box, so they really have done this month justice for Art House. So I absolutely love this. So let's open. Oh my god, I love it, I love it. Oh wow. Right, so neon pink, and then we have got stickers. We have got stickers in this notepad. This is amazing. This is so cute. Wow, this is just amazing. Look at that. This is awesome. Okay, so we've got our lovely stickers, lovely bright colours, and we have, oh, I love this as well, absolutely love this. So we've got, it's lined throughout, but also on the other side we have a blank page. So you could use this as a bit of a bullet journal, I guess, if you wanted to. But that is absolutely gorgeous. I feel like I'm going to have to use that. I've been kind of saving up my Papergang stuff, but this is just, this is lovely. This is really, really good. Papergang, you are back to your most amazing self. This is lovely. This is such a good box this month. You've outdone yourselves. I love it, absolutely love it. Okay, so let's put this down, and so much stuff. And let's get into how much everything costs. So we've got quite a few things this month, so let's gather these up. Okay, so back to our trusty brochure that we get in every box. Okay, so let's start with, we've jumped straight in with the notebook, the most amazing hardback notebook with all of our stickers, brightly coloured, absolutely gorgeous, lined and plain pages in there. I like this a lot. This is $9.95. I think that's pretty good. The next thing we have is our sticky notes, which are £3.50. Again, they are amazing. Washi tape, as usual, £2.50. And our greetings cards, and I'll grab one of those. They are £2.50 each. So that is, yeah, so we've got £5 there. I think that's brilliant. I absolutely love this box. Brightly coloured. I absolutely love it. The guys over at Art House, I really feel that you should be really proud of yourselves, because this is a good box. This is amazing, and the collaboration is a really cool way to get awareness out there for Art House. I've got nothing but good things to say about this box this month. I absolutely love it. I can't put it down. I think I'm going to have to go and start making some notes in it. But yeah, again, the box always exceeds what we pay for it, which is always good. I'm always happy. Even with the tube, it exceeded how much we paid for it. So, you know, can't complain. But this month, we are back to Papergang goodness. Absolutely. Absolutely love it. So yeah, we've gone through everything in this month's box, and that is April. So can't wait for the next one. It is May. Yeah, and also I want to give a shout out to Hey Tibbs, I think it is. Congratulations on winning the Papergang competition. Well deserved, and I cannot wait to see your box in action in October, and can't wait to review that. But in the meantime, I'll stick some photos up. I'll leave a link down in the description below for you to subscribe to Papergang. So make sure you go over and give them a look-see. And yeah, nothing but good things to say about this month's box. So I'll see you in May for the next box. See you later.